Welcome back, guys, to Tina Sewing Class. Glad to have you here. I hope you guys are enjoying the class so far. Please comment below and let me know. And we are up to lesson 4. There's about 8 different type of stitches, basic hand stitches that we're working on. I think we are at number 4 here as well. Today we're going to be doing the blanket stitch, and this is a very pretty stitch, guys. It's work well with crafts. When you're working on like plush toys and edgings, you want to make nice finishing on your edges. This is how you would do it, a blanket stitch. So you need 2 pieces of fabric. I'm using a felt. Today I got 2 edges, and we're going to be working from back to front. So here goes. You would push your needle. Actually, first you want to put your needle in 1/2 of your fabric. Hold it through like that. And you're going to make your stitch to close it. Alright. So you put your needle through the upper layer of the fabric. You close it so you don't see the knot on the back of the fabric. Then you go through in the back again, and you want to come out at the same location where you put your first thread. Okay, and you pull your thread up, and when you get it into a loop, you push your needle through the loop like so. Now you want to keep your thread straight on the fabric. I'm going to make it straight, and you go through the back again. Now you want to keep this width the same, and then the top the same as well. Push through, and as soon as you come up where the thread is on top, you make a loop and you move it to the right like that. Go in again. You come up, and I pull too fast, so I missed my loop. You come up, you make a loop. Don't go too fast. Remember, slow and steady win the race. All right, there you go. Go back through, and you want to keep your fabric nice and straight. At first, guys, it's going to give you a little trouble, but just take your time and practice. You'll get it. Come up again, and you grab your fabric. Your thread is into a loop. So there you have it, guys, your blanket stitch. That is what it looks like. There you go, guys, your blanket stitch. And we're going to do a few more. There you go, in like that, always from the back to the front. You pull your needle through, and you watch for your thread to make a loop, and you're going to loop it just like that on top. Nice. So practice, push through, pull up, grab your loop, and you place your loop on top, just like that. Push through, take your loop, and you tie. Beautiful.